how clutter kind of interfere in different parts of your life and hold you back. I know even with myself, like if you have a lot like on your plate, sometimes it's hard to know where to start, you know.
Absolutely. I've called clutter, and I call it in my book. I always say it's visual noise, right? It's very loud. It's calling for our attention, and that can look a lot of different ways to a lot of people. Obviously, tolerance levels, right? Your level of noise that you can tolerate with clutter might be different than my level. Mine is very low, unfortunately, for the people that live with me. But yeah, so that level of noise can it's a distraction, right? So maybe in your workspaces, you've got boxes lined up. If you do something with products, you've got papers lined up. You've got, 70,000 emails that you have no idea what they are, right? All that is noise.